Spontan sentiment, jugemanten in viva la flamma travestelten, la flamma totum poblem moviment. Oh, I am so angry now. This should be a day of joy for me, because today I will present my first video in Catalan, but instead I'm furious. Why? Do you ask me why? It's of course because the Supreme Court of Catalonia has decided that if only one child in a school class here demands to have the education in Spanish, then the whole class, all the other Catalan children, they have to accept that as well. As if Spanish was threatened here. Excuse me. We have to look at the origin of this situation. Now we have what the Catalans call immersion linguistica in the schools. But why is that? It's because in the 60s, during the Franco era, when there were a lot of people coming here from the rest of Spain, they never got into the Catalan culture because of the language barrier. So that is why the Catalans, with the democracy, decided to have Catalan as the first and main language in their schools. And that has given us this society which we have today, where everybody, all young people, are perfectly bilingual. Even those who come from families with two Spanish parents learn to speak perfect Catalan and perfect Spanish, and still the Catalan pupils are as good at Spanish as the pupils in the rest of Spain. That model shouldn't be changed. That model should be copied, I say. And it's not new. The Catalans have done this since 1992 all over Catalonia. And now, 2013, in the middle of the crisis, that's when they come from Madrid and say, no, we have to change this, as if that was a priority. Benvinguts, benvingudas, as we say here in Catalonia. And I am Göran, you might recognize me now, and I'm here to present what's going on here in the wine region Penedès. I say, please come here, but focus on what is properly Catalan. Go to Villafranca del Penedès and listen to lovely Gralla music. Or go to Villafranca in Igualada and look at our wonderful human towers. Or if you don't want to do that, please still come, because here there are always so many things happening. And you find them all at discoverpenedès.com. That's where we have our agendas. Oh, now I'm finally beginning to calm down, because all this thing with Catalan and Spanish and the conflict, it's just politics in the end. And politics, after all, politics fascinates me. So my only question, which remains to be solved, is how I, as a foreigner, can support the Catalans to show them that I am one of them. But of course, here we have the answer. La Señora, the Catalan flag, because very, very soon, on the 23rd of April, we have El Dia de Sant Jordi, St. George's Day. And that is when we come out in the streets of Catalonia and show our true colors. So I say, in the meantime, come here and visit our beaches and vineyards. But above all, discover Penedès and long live Catalonia!